Integers. The red numbers are negative integers, and the black numbers are positive integers. Put these numbers in order, from least to greatest. We see that even though 42 is greater than 35, because it is negative, it is less than 35. Here, negative 16 is greater than negative 35. And 0, 3, and 14 are greater than all of these integers that are negative. Number line. Here is a number line. Remember that fractions can also be decimals and percentages. Over here, we see mixed numbers. That is a whole number with a fraction. On the top, you have a mixed number, and on the bottom, you have the number with a decimal. Adding and subtracting fractions. When adding or subtracting fractions, you must have a common denominator. To find my common denominator, I'm going to multiply this fraction by this denominator, and this fraction by this denominator. What I do on the bottom of my fractions, I do the same on the top. Two-thirds has become 10/15ths, and 1/5 has become 3/15ths. I can now perform my operation of subtraction. My answer, 7/15ths. Coordinates on a Cartesian plane. X is horizontal, Y is vertical. When writing coordinates, remember that X comes first. Find the coordinates for point A and point B. Point A has coordinates of 2x, negative 2y. Point B has coordinates of negative 4x and 2y. Volume. Volume is the measure of the amount of space inside an object. To find volume, we calculate width times height times length. I started by multiplying my height times my width to give me 18 6/10 meters squared. Don't forget the exponent in your answer. After, I multiply my answer times the length to give me a total of 186 meters cubed. Today I'm going to solve the problem of how many objects with a volume of 22 meters cubed could fit inside this box. So I want to see how many of these can fit in here. Which operation am I going to perform? I am going to perform long division. I'm going to take my box and divide it by the volume of my cube. 8 4/10 cubes can go into this box. However, my final answer is 8.